So this video goes along with kind of our series in relationships are what makes you a great real estate agent. It allows you to get really great deals. We're out here, Seattle Slough. This is a property that we picked up from somebody that we were actually trying to help find another property, and realized that they had a pretty large portfolio. I believe it was 20 rentals, and really they were just looking to unload the rentals, liquidating their entire portfolio, and actually just moving to another country. We picked this property up for $175. We spent about $30,000 inside doing renovations, so we're all in for just right around 200. We did list it actually today, even with the coming soon multiple offer situation. We're already in the 280,000 range. I will post below what we actually settled for, but this is a 3 to 4 month flip. Got purely just because of the relationship that we had, and getting clean about $80,000 in 3 to 4 months. Not too bad. So as we've talked about a few times already, relationships are the absolute key to getting really great real estate deals. If you are looking to be a real estate investor, or you're looking for an agent that can represent you, find great properties, you need to make sure they're in the industry and they primarily specialize in real estate and investment. The reason why, this property right here, normally if you pick this up just off the FMLS, you're going to pick it up maybe low to mid 200s. You're going to have that bidding war. Instead, we have relationships with people, and we're dealing with a client and realized that she had 20 properties that she was looking to basically liquidate so she could, cash out, move to another country, just kind of retire. We picked this property up under a value for $175,000. We did then renovations that were needed, about $30,000 into it. So total, we're about $205,000. We just listed on the market for 2 months later. We're now selling it for $280,000. At least that's the highest contract. We're going highest and best. We won't know here for another couple of days, but it looks like we're going to have a nice $70,000 to $80,000. All purely because of the relationship that we had and the relationships that we built over a couple of years. Again, if you're looking for a real estate agent that specializes in investing, give us a call. If you're looking to get into the industry, make sure you work with somebody that's not inexperienced. You got to work with somebody that's experienced, knows how to find deals, knows what they're looking for. Thanks.